Now we finished the house itself. We're going to this different area of the GREYS court place. Walled garden.
We're going to design these gardens to provide peace and.
Let's go in the walled garden now. My goodness. Wow. It's a big place.
Swimming pool.
That's not swimming pool. It's a little pond. And up there is the tower.
Only flowers here that blossom with white.
Probably. That's why it's called White Garden.
White roses there, look.
Loads of white plants. Next part of the walled garden is... what's here? Ah, the roses garden. It's the rose garden. Wow.
Time of year for them.
Hey, let's go to
Can you imagine if they're blooming? They're so beautiful.
If you look at this side, all these plants are alive. Look, even though it's October.
Because they're in the sunny area.
I think so.
Inside the rose garden is a shaded area. Wow. Whoa! Look at that. I will not fancy coming here in the evening. It's shaded area with all these climbers, isn't it? And loads of other entrances to different parts of the garden. Oh, there's another one there. Let's go. So it will lead you to a different parts of the garden again. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Can I just leave here? Loads of... wow! Apple trees. Beautiful, just like our tree, isn't it?
Well, it's a little bit bigger than ours.
And these are probably where they get their ingredients for cooking.
It's the kitchen garden.
Kitchen garden, that's it.
Kitchen.
Oh, that's nice to sit down. Where's Emily now? I can't find you. There you are. That's on the right. I'm going this way. Oh my God, you can get lost in this place. We're just in the walled garden earlier and now we're everywhere. This is more of the open space now. Go on the maze. So that's just the maze. So this is an open space maze that the kids can follow to get to that middle part of the garden. So these are the real greenhouse. It's where they dry the flowers.
GREYS Platinum Jubilee.
So it's just like orchard area. And who is that? Who is this? The gardener.
Daddy, it is a boy.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Let's have a look what's at the end of this. Arch place. Oh, it's supposed to be a water fountain, but it's empty at the moment. So from here you can still overlook the tower that we saw earlier. Probably that's one of the gardener there who's maintaining this beautiful garden. Have you found?
I hid the door.
Hmm.
Daddy, I just found it. And then it's a mustard mayonnaise thingamajig. This one can't even see it.
Oh, the lavender place. I will not miss this. Beautiful. That's a nice music. The three women of GREYS Court. Can you go? Oh, no, it's closed. Now we're back here to the house earlier.
Pick it up.
Oh my goodness, look at the plants as well, even under the trees. Look how beautiful that tree is, and there's loads of flowers there. The color of autumn. Pretty.
Another one is sea flowers, greens wood. Sea flowers and greens wood in the wood.
You just make that up.
So this is now exploring nature and exercise as well, while having fresh air. Number 2. What does it say? In autumn, trees and plants get ready for winter by dropping their leaves. How many different shapes and colors can you find on the ground?
100.
Hello, Emily. Look at this scenery. Okay, let's see what's that pyramid one in there. You're too tight to stand up. Wow! Wow! You can go inside. What's in that one?
Quick, let's hide.
Yay! Good excuse to get the children running and having exercise in the fresh air. Go and see what's in there. Go and see what's in here. Wow. You made a building like this, a project like this, Charlotte, isn't it? What's inside? Huh? What's this? The ice house at GREYS Court. Oh, so this is where they kept the ice before. As long as I don't drop my phone. Oh my god, it's so deep.
I'm too tired to
Ooh.
Oh dear, hold that down.
We're just gonna have a little sit down there. The tree, a big hug. Really, hey, Charlotte is giving this tree a big hug. Where's your big hug then? Ooh, say thank you, tree.
Thank you, tree. So you don't even have a face to even hear me.
Well, you never know. So we're now at number 4 out of 7 of the nature trail. We're trying to find the rest of it. Lovely day. We'll see what's inside.
When my friend like tried to touch it and then they got a really black up.
Yeah,
What nut was that?
walnuts.
Walnut.
So now we're
Walnut.
heading to the play area here in GREYS Court.
How old are you, Emily? How old are you? No, I'm
So
joking,
there's
you
the
didn't
play
say.
area.
Anybody can play. Come on.
There's a dance and balancing. Let me see how you balance. Good. Wow, wow, well done. Oh my goodness, good balancing.
It's very stable.
Yeah?
Who even made it didn't make it any stable.
Okay, you need to be careful then. Good job.
That isn't
So then you can make a bridge out of this tree branches, isn't it? If you need to. And then you can go in the den. Entrance is here. Entrance is on the other side, Emily. Wow, that's a nice den. Woohoo! Can I have a cup of tea there?
and it goes
Up.
up and down. I knew you were gonna wobble.
Well done.
Which animal chomped this?
Chop, you mean?
Chop this the tree down.
I don't think it's animal. Might be a man. Because maybe the tree is old or it has a disease, so they need to chop it down.
Come on. It's all wet and dirty.
Daddy and the 2 girls. So silly. They said they cannot walk anymore because they're tired walking. Poor Daddy.
Go to A road. A road.
Please turn next left.
Oh,
Beautiful blue sky and colors. There you go, my friends. We finished the GREYS Court. We're all tired now, aren't we? And knackered. But it's a lovely day out for the family. Thank you for watching. See you again next adventure of ours.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.